Gene Downs Generic Gene. As we know, the world's certainly gone generic, and generic domain names now are a massive market, investment-wise, search-wise, etc. Now it brings to mind the significance of the letter N and the word AND. Now when you're getting or building a DBO strategy or buying search words for your website, I think it's very important to secure both those, N and AND, because people directly typing in will probably go both ways, most likely will. So I see it like this. Take for example agentsandauctions.com and agentsandauctions.com. That's getting agents and auctions with the letter N and the word AND in the middle. So you have a pair. These are premiums. Another example that I invested in was ropeandcordage.com. ropeandcordage.com, again with the letter N and the word AND. So just a tip, great investment for your websites. Search words, we won't come into the value of whether they're worth what's worth what with characters and whatever. I'm not going to cover that. There's enough other people covering that and have their own opinions. But these are valuable names for a website, and if you have a website, doesn't matter whether you're auto, goods, services, trades, whatever you do, those key search words are a great asset for your website. Cheers.